Billy, I'm sorry.
Just go. You go out every night.
Well, I have to go to work. Somebody has to support the generations of children who hate me.
Hello?
Andy,
Naomi, where are you?
I've checked into rehab.
What?
I am staying here for 90 days.
Wait a minute.
What?
I gotta go.
90 days?
You'll do great.
What's up, Dad?
Naomi's in rehab.
Seriously?
She's addicted to pills, and she's left me. You don't seem really surprised.
I don't know. I guess it's not like that big of a shocker.
Not a shocker?
Where's Mom?
Mom had to go back home for a little while to see Grandma. You know, she's getting older, so...
Grandma's the same age as you.
No, she's not. No, she's not. She's a good deal older than I am, but anyway. Things aren't so hot right now. At the gallery, we can't pay our rent.
You guys are in debt.
Am I in denial?
You got this, Mama.
Could you watch the kids for me? I never ask you for your help, do I?
Do you really want me to answer that?
Lately. I was just gonna say lately. I was just gonna say it.
Why do you always say your dad? Isn't he all of our dads?
Well, I'm 27 years older than you, which is basically unheard of for siblings, except maybe in LA.
I can't believe my baby's having a baby.
So you go to things like this now? Parent-teacher conferences?
I did all that stuff with you.
Never.
Oh, come on. Do we not have a good relationship?
Well, it's just that when I was Billy and Moses' age, I hardly saw you.
You have no idea how stressful the circumstances are right now. My wife painted that. Yeah, we're separated. I don't know why that matters. It doesn't matter.
Do you know how hard it is to watch you be father in the year all of a sudden? They get a version of you that I never had.
I know. Just don't cry, because if you cry, then I'm gonna cry. In the end, there are really only three things that matter. How much you've loved, how gently you've lived, and how gracefully you let go of the things that really weren't even meant for you.
I want you to channel a word that describes what you need. We're all going to shout our words at the same time.
Help!
I was gonna count to 3.